welcome to my channel, and for this video we're going to be unboxing these two things here. Now they're two of the same thing. One is very gimmicky, but I don't know the gimmick where it would work with these, but we will see. And I don't know which is which. I really don't. I haven't looked at them. This one's out of the packaging. Hubby looked at this one. He knows which one this is, but I don't. And this one, I don't know. So we will have to check and see what that looks like. But yes, so I'm going to open this one first because it's not in packaging and I don't have to rip it open. But yeah, so we'll see which one this is, whether it's the gimmicky one or the one that I'll probably end up using. I think this is the one I'll probably end up using. Yes. So, this is, and I got here all the way without breaking. I'm actually shocked. Let's take this out. And it's blue. Shiny. Take this off. Okay, you know what? I'll do that off camera. So I'm not going to hit the screen. But yeah, so a glass dip pen, which have been all over YouTube. But I've never actually used one. I've used like a metal dip pen, but never a glass one. So it'd be interesting to see which of the inks I have works the best with these. So I'm going to try that, you know, once I open that other one. So yeah, let's see what this must be, the gimmicky one then. Yeah, and I don't have any scissors. Ah! Let's see how easy this is to get into. No. I hate that sound. That's really good. Makes my skin crawl. But, you know, hey, this one's packaged. It's glass, so you would hope it was packaged properly. Look. And let's see, like I said, this is the gimmicky one. Oh, wait, this one comes in a box. Ah, with an elastic on it. Take that off. Ow! Bloody hell! The elastic snapped back on my fingers. Ow! But yeah, is it glued shut? It's glued shut. Crap. I don't want to use that because it'll level it out. I need to get some scissors. Scissors. Don't run with scissors. No, and don't put things like, don't go like this, not like this, because I see so many people do that, and I'm like, you're going to stab yourself in the chest. But let's take this one out. Is it glued on the other end? No. Ah! Don't drop it, it's glass, it'll break, and the dog will probably kill herself. No. But, so, let's see. So yeah, this is very gimmicky. But, if I can get this one out. See, this one's green. This one, trying to get it to focus. There we go. This one is supposed to glow in the dark. Now, will it? I don't know. And why does it glow in the dark? What in it makes it glow in the dark? I'd be kind of like, is it radioactive? We don't know. But yeah. So this is, I'll probably try, like I said, the blue one. This one can be gimmicky unless I use two different colors and then, you know, I don't feel like washing the pen. But yeah, so this one, we will see later if it glows in the dark. And I'll have to put it under some lights or something to make sure to give it time to glow in the dark while the lights get darker. You see, shiny. This one's shinier, but I actually can't remember if it was blue or not. Either way, I got two pens. Don't ask me what I'm going to do them, besides make some kind of art. And maybe if one broke, maybe that was my thought behind it. That probably was. See, this one's got a thing on the end. This one doesn't. This one came in the green one came in a box, so maybe that's why I have hiccups. That's great. So yeah, I will be back to do ink testing once I get all my inks out. So I'm back and testing different inks with the glass pen thingy. You can't see the labels at the moment, but that's okay. We will start with this one, which is Parker Quink ink, and it didn't originally come in this. It came in like a glass jar with the lid which was stuck on it, so hubby had to take it and stick it in his vise, and it broke the plastic lid to get it off because it was just stuck together. So I had to put it in this, which is just a basic ink jar, nothing special. And there's ink all over it. I need a rag. Let's see, where's a rag? Here's a rag. That will work. That's the only problem with ink. It gets freaking everywhere. But, you know, hey, I like ink. I just don't like how messy it is. We'll keep that there. Just a basic rag. Because I'm not going to end up all black or blue. I think this is black. But yeah, so we'll try this one first. And do much ink. Get off the ink brush. And yeah. Let's try this again. So we will just... So it works. It does flow, but it could be the solvent that's in it, because it is quite solventy, we'll say. And hatch, hatch, hatch. Hatch, hatch, hatch. And yeah, that works. I don't know how it'll dry, so we'll have to see. Because it is pen ink, so we don't really know. But it kind of goes. Yeah, I don't think it's going to dry black. More like just writing black or in between kind of thing. Oh gosh, these scratchy things are going to drive me batty. It really is. Be like, scratch. But no, it seems to work okay. But yeah, I don't think that's going to be like a true black, not like India ink or something, which I don't actually have any India ink. Which I used to. So I like you know, using ink with a dip pen, but I don't think you would with this, because, you know, I constantly do pointillism, and I think doing that would just, yeah, get on my nerves. Yeah, I can see that getting on my nerves. So yeah, I'm gonna go clean this, and then we'll try that one maybe, which, yeah, I'll show you what that is in a sec. But first, put the lid on, because I'm not having it, oh gosh, go everywhere. It's, yeah. Right back there. Oh god. So the orange color is Pyro Red. It's Liquitex, which I generally would use with airbrushes, and usually it comes in like a tub. I've never actually had it in a bottle with a stopper on it, but it's a problem with this mouse. Why did I keep leaving it there? You can go over there. It's kind of in the way because I hit it with my elbow. But yeah, so generally I'll use this with airbrushes, but we will stick this here and make more of this. And dip the ink. Ooh, a bit too much, I think. Let's see. Dog hair. So it does work. It is nice color. But I don't have so many of these. I don't have that many colors. That's the only problem. But scratchy again. Maybe for some different thing. I don't know. The ink doesn't seem to last long. Maybe because it's thicker. It's more like paint. But let's see what it says. It's been shaken, whatever. Put that back down there. And back to clean this after I put the lid back on that, because once again, paint everywhere, or ink. This one's FW, there's a dot, I can't read the label there, probably should have got another bottle. Acrylic Artist, something, don't really know. Water resistant, non-cloggy, I can't read the rest. So this is transparent. It is made by Dalerone. See? You probably can't read that. No, it's quite tiny. But we'll see what this one looks like now. See if it actually works. It should, because I think this is actually ink, but don't really know. They have different ends. But let's try. Ooh, pretty. Very nice blue. Ooh. Very nice color. I think that glob thing there was just me, because I'm not used to the pen yet. But very nice blue. Yeah. That is a nice blue. Yeah. That might work if I had more colors. But I don't. But hey, in the future maybe, I will get some more. I have about 5 or 6 of them, I don't know. But yeah, so I'll have to clean this. Next one, Winsor & Newton. Windsor, not Windsor. You know, like the, a lot of people pronounce it. This is Cobalt. inks must be maybe mixed with each other or thinned with distilled water. Contains shellac. Wash brushes and pens immediately after use. Fair enough. I'm just gonna let it cake on the brush. Ruin something I just got. But so take the lid off. And there's not a lot in here, so I have to angle it a bit to get any on the thing. Ooh, shiny. You can't see that, but it is kind of shiny. But it doesn't really work very well. Could be the pen. Could be me. It's probably me. But it works okay. Well, not really. It doesn't, but that's probably me. I like the color, though. Yeah, I'll have to wash this one and do one more. Last ink is Ecoline. And I don't know who makes this. I can't see... Talons? Possibly? Yeah, Talons. Real Talons, apparently. Holland. Oh, good to know. But yeah, I've had these since, like I said, if I said before, I can't remember, college. And I'm hoping this works because my idea might use some colors. So I'm really crossing my fingers that this works. So take the lid off. This is very bright. It's not painted ink, but ooh. Oh, this works. This actually works perfect for what I need it to. Yeah. Yeah, see, I just got cross-hatching in it, so with ink. So this seems to work. Scratch. But yeah, so this is probably what I will end up using. And this did dry more of like a blue-black, which you can't see on screen. You might be able to if I lift this up. I doubt it. Nah, it still looks black on screen, even though it's not black, it's like a dark blue-black. But it makes sense, it's not India ink, so, which I don't have any, like I said before, and I used to have a whole big barrel of it, or a barrel, jug, like a liter of it or something like that. Ooh, very pale. Lights moving around. Now you can't see this at all, but the camera's messed up, it doesn't matter. So, it's going to be using the, no, you really can't see it, like this. Ah, no, there we go. No, not. Anyway, we know which one I'm using. It's this one, the Ecoline one. I've got, like I said, all kinds of colors, so that will work for my idea. So thank you for watching me try out which ink works best with these glass pens, at least the ink I have. If I had India ink, I would try that, but I don't have any, and I have ink all over my hands. But that's okay. And it is pitch black in here. Does it glow? Don't know, because the monitor is in the way. So, if we go, we have to turn the monitor off. So, we need to find the remote. And I just did something and now I don't know what the hell it was. So, I won't be able to tell if this holds up on. So, we'll try this again. So, all the lights are off. I'm going to see if this glows in the dark. And I don't know, but we will find out. And I won't be able to see what if this shows up on camera. But, you know, I'll count to 10 or something. I don't know. But, yeah. So, let's see. It kind of glows. It's more shiny than anything. But, you might be able to see that. So, it's like it's green sparkle. Yeah, green sparkle. Let's kind of cover them up. Yeah, that's better. Should have covered up my USB thing. Yeah, it's kind of like parts of it glow green. Not the whole thing, but parts of it do. So yeah, nowhere near bright enough to draw with. But hey, like I said, gimmicky as hell. So yeah, that's the end of it. I keep taking my hand off that light. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. It's gonna be like a floating green thing. No, but yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing of the glass pens. And next week, Saturday's drawing is I don't really know yet. And I don't know what next Wednesday's drawing will be either, depending on if I get the drawing done I'm planning on doing with these pens.